This is Dustin with TechMD. Today we're going to be repairing a Rugby number 2. So the parts are not available for this phone. You cannot find it. So the only reason why you would want to repair a phone like this is mainly because you want the data, you like this phone, whatever. So you're like, well, how do you repair it? Well, that's the problem. You have to buy another one. You can get them on eBay for like 50 bucks, maybe. I don't even know. I couldn't find anything for this phone. So he said he bought them on Amazon, I think is where he told me. So if you absolutely need to get data for whatever reason, then repair it. If not, do not repair this device, as it's just not worth your time. Let's see here. Let's open up the broken one first here. So what we're going to do is just do a simple motherboard swap for him. I apologize. This is maybe I should just use my nails to do this. Yeah, there we go. So just twist that off to unlock. Trying to get my nails under anywhere here, but no such luck. Okay. Just use a nice SMU tool here. That pops right off with the twist. Pull out the battery. Looks like it's a waterproof film. And regular Phillips. And this is 00 Phillips. For all who doesn't know. Okay, so that seems like the screw doesn't want to come out. It's fine. I would assume the rest is going to come out around the side here. I don't see any other way of it opening. Has some kind of rubber gasket seal around it. Since we're not salvaging this phone here, we're just taking this board out and put it in there. We're not going to worry about any of that. Another screw down here. Looks like the LCD plug right here. Interesting. Okay, so there's the board. And let's do the same thing on this one. to say this is one of the best waterproof designs I've ever seen from Samsung. I would say it would be close to maybe the Brigadier, Kawasaki Brigadier. Ugh, it's hard to say that. So this one's pretty straightforward. I don't think really a video tutorial is needed if you're a professional. I would say this is a very simple phone that anyone at their home could do. So you don't really need to take it to a professional either. Just make sure you get that water seal back on. So all I'm going to do is just make sure when I pull that off, the water seal stays. Try to make this as easy as possible on me. Ah, darn it, it did not. That's weird. It already looks like it's been wet. Getting this sealed back in might be a little tricky. Just with a little organization here, I bet we can do it though, no problem. I'm doing is just pulling up here, twisting and unplugging that piece right there and pulling straight out. That's what we're going to do with the next one. Take the old board. And this is going to slide in there. First things first here, let's get this thing plugged in. Or maybe slid in first. Let's slide this in first, just like we had it. There we go. That makes things a lot easier to plug this in, guys. Slide that piece in first. And that's your volume up, power buttons, etc. Okay, so let's see what's getting in our way here. Oh, the buttons. Okay, the buttons stayed with the other motherboard. So just pull them off. There we go. Okay, they still work. Or they feel like they work. Okay, make sure the power button or camera button, whatever this button is, slide that back in. And I don't know if this is the power button or if that's the power button. One of the two. Okay, so make sure your rubber gasket is sitting in there just perfect all around where it belongs. Really critical, or this phone won't be waterproof anymore. Okay, it's sitting in there perfectly. Screw on our remaining screws here that belong on the inside first. I'm not even sure if these are necessary to take out, to be honest. Don't think so. So you might not need to take out these 4 silver screws. Definitely the motherboard screws there, though. Unsure, but yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and put this piece back on. Curious. So it looks like that one got wet too. It's very interesting. Oh yeah, we probably should leave these out for a second while we get this plugged all in. There we go. Let's put the long screws back in here. Just nice and tight on all these screws, double check them. Just give them an extra few more twists. Okay. Normally I don't do that on phones like this, but in this case, I think that's his new battery here. In this case, you definitely want to do that just because of the waterproof design. Oh, there's the little pop-up. Help you get in there. Can't believe I didn't see that. So you would normally just pop your finger right here to open it up instead of using a tool. Pretty straightforward, simple phone, guys. Lock that down, close that up, and away we go. This customer will be really happy that he got all his data back and he doesn't even have to restore his phone. There's the old board. If he ever needs any parts off it, it's going to be sitting right here in a bag for him. Thanks guys for watching. This is Dustin with TechMD. Have a good one.